Let us see question number 5 of exercise 6.1. In the figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So what is happening? POR and QOR 90 degree. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Then what you have to prove? You have to prove that angle ROS is half of QOS minus POS. This is what you have to prove. See, now given and to prove, you should be able to write from the given data from the question. So I have written here, okay. You should develop now method, you should develop yourself how to write given and to prove. Now see the proof, okay. You can see the proof. What we want to prove? ROS is half of QOS minus POS. क्या करना है वो क्वेश्चन में दिया है और डायग्राम से आपको उतना पार्ट लेना है, ओके. ध्यान दीजिए, एंगल ROS, ओके, एंगल ROS is equal to एंगल POR माइनस एंगल POS. डू यू एग्री? देखो, POR में से POS माइनस करोगे तो आपको ROS मिलेगा. सो मैंने लिखा ROS इज POR माइनस POS. ओके, यस, दिस इज रिजल्ट नंबर 1. ओके, नेक्स्ट अगेन, SOR प्लस QOR इज इक्वल टू SOQ. हमको टू प्रूव में QOS चाहिए, यस. तो हम अभी ROS कैसे लिखेंगे? ओके, ऑल्सो ROS can be written as angle ROS is equal to QOS minus QOR. So angle QOS minus angle QOR. You can call this result number 2. अभी आपको हाफ चाहिए तो मैं ROS okay from 1 and 2. So now I will add 1 and 2. Now adding 1 and 2, what we get? See, left hand side, angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to, I will put it in bracket, okay, I will put it in bracket, big bracket, angle POR minus angle POS plus right hand side of equation second, angle QOS minus angle QR. Okay, what is the value of POR? POR and QR is 90. So POR की जगह 90, QR की जगह 90 लिखता हूँ. Now what is this? ROS plus ROS, 2 times ROS is equal to, what is value of POR? Angle POR is 90 degree. I will open the bracket now, 90 degree minus angle POS, okay, minus angle POS plus angle, open the bracket, angle QOS minus, what is angle QR? QR is also 90 degree. So what will happen? 90 degrees cancel. Therefore 2 times angle ROS is equal to minus angle POS plus angle QOS. आपको क्या चाहिए? QOS minus POS. बस rearrange the term. Therefore 2 times angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. This and this is having same meaning. Now therefore dividing by 2, ROS is half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, hope you have understood this question. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को राइडर्स कहा जाता है. Let us see question number 6 of exercise 6.1. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. I have drawn the diagram. The diagram is not given in the question. We have to draw the diagram from the information. Okay, it is given that XYZ is 64 and XY is produced up to point P. XY को बढ़ा के हम point P तक बढ़ा सकते हैं. यहाँ लिखा है, you have to produce. Draw the figure from the given information. Then if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, okay, find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. ओके, मैंने गिवन लिखा है XYZ is 64, ZYQ and QYP are equal. I have shown by identical markings here. Why equal? Because YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. Okay, so you have to find angle. To find क्या लिखा है? एंगल XYQ and reflex angle QYP. तो सबसे पहले हमको XYZ, अगर आप देखेंगे XYZ and ZYP, they are forming linear pair. Let us write angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, linear pair axiom you can write. Reason linear pair axiom. Substitute angle ZYP. What will be angle ZYP? ZYP is equal to 180 degrees minus angle XYZ. Okay, so 180 degrees minus XYZ. XYZ is how much? 64 degrees. Okay, so therefore angle ZYP is 180 minus 64. 10 minus 4, 6, carry 1, so 116 degrees. Okay, now you see what is YQ? YQ is a bisector of angle ZYP. So ZYQ and QYP both will be having same measure. Now I will write angle ZYQ is also equal to angle QYP is half of angle ZYP. Reason? What reason we can write? YQ bisects angle ZYP. You can write ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. That is the reason. So what is the measure? Therefore angle ZYQ is equal to QYP, and ZYP we have calculated 116 degrees, so half of 116, so it is 58 degrees. Now what you want to calculate? You want to calculate angle XYQ. Okay, now angle XYQ, see the figure, XYQ is what? XYQ is XYZ plus ZYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So how much is XYZ? XYZ is 64 given to you. ZYQ you have calculated 58 degrees. So 4 plus 8, 12, 2, carry 1, so 112 degrees. So you got angle XYQ is 112. You can highlight it by putting a box. Okay, now what you want to calculate? You want to calculate a reflex angle QYP. What is QYP? 58. Okay, now a reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. So 360 degrees minus, what is measure of QYP? 58 degrees. Okay, so 360 degrees minus 58, so 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so 302 degrees. Okay, 302 degrees. So we got here. So therefore reflex angle QYP is 302 degrees. So you have highlighted. You want to write answer? You can write first one. The order in which you have it is given to find. Same way you have to write first. Angle XYQ is 112 degrees. The second part is reflex angle QYP is 302 degrees. Hope you have understood this question.